2017 Lexus ES. Lexus has sold the ES family of vehicles since 1989 as its mid-size luxury sedan line. The ES series has become the best-selling sedan for Lexus and is known for its emphasis on interior amenities. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, backup camera, keyless entry, traction control, anti-lock braking system, lane departure warning, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.